Good tea time, my dear strangers. Valentine's is just around the corner, but I think there's still a time for a quick and easy Love Owls project. Let's make some owls with hearts on their belly. I started by sketching my simple design and tearing it out of paper to see what it would look like. Then I went through all my fabric clippings and found a bunch that seemed to go together well, and selected a few for each little owl. I simply cut out all the individual shapes roughly based on my paper templates. I cut the body and wings twice so I could fill them later, and all the other shapes just once. I picked a different fabric for each side of the wings. But don't let your imagination stop you. Then I distressed all the edges. You can use your fingers or a side of the scissors. Next, I'm going to sew around the edges with a zigzag stitch to decorate them and stop the unraveling. I will sew the wing pieces together, leaving a small gap for the filling later, as well as the body. So let's go sewing, or gluing if you want. No need to be very precise. The goal is the shabby look. Besides, there won't be any stress on the seams. It's only a decoration. After filling the body, I hand-stitched the opening close. You don't really need any sewing skills. Remember, the shabby look. And if you don't feel like sewing at all, you can always use a hot glue gun to attach the pieces together. You can even draw the stitch lines with a liner pen. Once the body is done, we can start putting things together. First, I place the eyes and the heart over them. I suggest making it slightly smaller than I did. It will be more obvious. I love the button eyes, so I looked through my button collection to find some that would work. Finally, I decided to go with the lighter ones. I hand-stitched them to the eye pads before attaching them to the owl's body. I filled the little wings the same way as I did the body, using a small amount of the filler, and stitched it closed. To make things easier and shabbier, I decided to hot glue the eyes on the body, the heart over the eyes. The eyebrows on top of the eyes, and finally, the wings. I think she's still missing something. Oh yes, a little beak. That's better. And since I have all my supplies and tools out, I will make another one really quickly, for your inspiration. If you are enjoying my videos, please like, share and subscribe. You know that always helps. Enjoy my other owl making while sipping your tea or coffee, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. And if you have a single colored heart, you can always write your message on it. I think they came out as lovely as little love owls can be. What do you think?